Hello boys and girls, it's Mr. Chilli here and welcome to your online recorder lesson. Let's warm up our voices using our HELLO chant. Can you identify the words pitch, dynamics and tempo to the way we use our voices in this chant? Let's give it a go. HELLO. This is how we say hello. Move your feet to the beat. Can you feel your heart beat? HELLO. This is how we say hello. Move your feet to the beat. Can you feel your heart beat? HELLO. This is how we say hello. Move your feet to the beat. Can you feel your heart beat? Right, now that we've done our warm-up, let's see if we can sing our song, Groovy Grandma. We learnt this a few weeks ago. The words are in front of you in the PowerPoint. Don't forget the actions and don't forget the big shout out at the end.
Grandma, sick in bed. She sent for the doctor said, Grandma, you ain't sick. All you need is a walking stick. Hands up, shake, shake, shakety shake. Hands down, shake, shake, shakety shake. Hands up, shake, shake, shakety shake. Hands down, shake, shake, shakety shake. Got the rhythm in the head. Ding dong, got the rhythm in the hands. Clap, clap, got the rhythm in the feet. Snap, snap, got the rhythm in the hot dog. She didn't go to college, she didn't go to school. I bet you $5 she can riddle more than you. She didn't go to uni, she didn't get a blues, but I bet you $5 she can shake more than you. Hands up, shake, shake, shakety shake. Hands down, shake, shake, shakety shake. Hands up, shake, shake, shakety shake. Hands down, shake, shake, shakety shake. Got the rhythm in the head. Ding dong, got the rhythm in the hands. Clap, clap, got the rhythm in the feet. Stamp, stamp, got the rhythm in the hot dog, got the rhythm in the head. Ding dong, got the rhythm in the hands. Clap, clap, got the rhythm in the feet. Stamp, stamp, got the rhythm in the hot dog, got the rhythm in the hot dog, got the rhythm in the hot dog.
How to play note C. Note C on the recorder uses our A fingers, which is 2 fingers and a thumb. If we take our B finger off but leave the A finger on, that is note C, and it should sound like this. We have a rhyme that we can use, which is middle finger and a thumb. Third space C, now up we come. Pause this video and see if you can play that rhyme on your new note C. Right, I have a finger activity for you. In this activity, we are working on our B fingers to our C fingers. This will mean keep the thumb on, but swap the first finger, which is note B, to the middle finger on the next hole down, which is note C. Pause this video and work on these exercises. Feel comfortable playing notes B and C and get used to swapping the fingers over. If you don't have a recorder, don't worry. Practice on a pencil and practice swapping the fingers between the two notes. Right, let's have a look at our piece of music called Dreams. Let's listen to the backing track and see if you can follow the music and work out the rhythms as it is playing. Right, now that we've listened to Dreams, let's work on it. Now, looking at the music, we know that the notes are mainly using steps, or one beat notes. There is the odd stride and there is a caterpillar note at the end. Now, to work on our fingers, I'm going to ask you to play the notes using our stride notes, our 2-beat notes. And I want you to think about how your fingers are moving and what are they doing. So you should get this. If your fingers are still in a muddle, then lengthen the notes further and use our caterpillar notes, which are our 4-beat notes instead. And leave a gap so that you can feel what your fingers are doing. So it would sound like this. When you're feeling comfortable and confident with your fingers, then you can put it back into your step notes, just like you would to the backing track. Now you can have a go at pausing the video and doing your practice on it. Once you feel really confident and you know what your fingers are doing between those notes, then you can try putting it to the backing track. Don't forget to leave gaps between the notes. Remember your tonguing. And at the end, there's what we call a pause. A pause looks like a semicircle with a little dot underneath it. And that means to hold the note on a little bit longer than what it should be. Have a go and enjoy. What have we learnt? We've revised our HELLO chant to understand our musical words, pitch, dynamics and tempo. We've revised and sang the words to Groovy Grandma. We've learnt about note C and what notes we need to use for this note on the recorder. And we've also played the rhythm rhyme through using note C. We've done a rhythm workout using notes B to C and getting used to swapping the fingers over between those two notes in different rhythm patterns. And we've worked on a piece of music called Dreams, understanding the rhythm, understanding the notes, the fingers, and improving the coordination between the fingers so we can play it fluently and confidently. We've also played it through to the backing track. Hope this was a good lesson. See you next time.